Welcome to Fact Waves. In today's video, we're sharing 5 powerful habits that can skyrocket your productivity and help you achieve more every single day. So, let's dive in. Habit 1. Wake up early. First, start your day early. Waking up early gives you a head start and allows you to focus on your most important tasks before distractions take over. Successful people, from source to athletes, swear by this habit. Habit 2. Prioritize your tasks. Next, prioritize your tasks. Start your day by listing your most important tasks and tackle them first. Use the Eisenhower matrix or a simple to-do list to stay on top of what matters the most. Habit 3. Take regular breaks. Believe it or not, taking regular breaks actually increases your productivity. Short breaks, like a 5-minute walk or stretching, help you maintain focus and prevent burnout throughout the day. Habit 4. Eliminate distractions. To maximize productivity, eliminate distractions. This means turning off phone notifications, creating a dedicated workspace, and avoiding multitasking. Focus on one task at a time for better results. Habit 5. Get enough sleep. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Studies show that 7 to 8 hours of sleep improve cognitive function, memory, and focus, which all contribute to better productivity. These 5 habits can truly change the way you approach each day and help you become more productive. Start integrating them into your routine and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fact Waves for more amazing content.